G'day chemists, today we're going to talk about a special type of gravimetric analysis, calculating the percentage composition of a mixture. Our learning goal here is to be able to calculate the percentage composition of a mixture. It's pretty straightforward using gravimetric analysis. And we can see just here we have a set of scales with a very high level of accuracy, which means we've got a high number of significant figures to work with. This is the vocabulary for today's lesson. If I can just get you to pause the video, write these down, and these will come up as we're going. Particularly analyze. So percentage composition, how does it work? Well, what we're looking at is we're looking with this particular form of gravimetric analysis, we're looking at working at how much of a sample is one component. And this is a relative mixture, relative measurement. And we're looking at the analyte. And the analyte here will be the thing which we calculate the percentage of. First thing we do is measure the mass of the mixture. Pretty straightforward. Then using whatever separation techniques we need, we separate it out. And then we measure the mass of the components where that's possible. For example, if we're doing evaporation, we wouldn't be able to do that because with evaporation you actually lose all of the water. So you measure the parts you can. And then we use the formula. Mass percentage equals the mass of the component divided by the total mass of the mixture multiplied by 100. That gives that. So here's a question for us. At a mine they've separated out 212 kilograms of iron ore from 720 kilograms of rock. So what percentage of this rock is iron ore? Well, first we use the formula. Mass of the component divided by mass of the total multiply 100. So we pop our numbers into it, right? So 212 divided by 720 times 100. And that should get us there. And that gets us at 0.29444 and so forth times 100, which gets us at 29.4%. Now that's not your answer, that's your working out. Your answer is this part. Therefore, 29.4% of the rock matrix is iron ore. Remember, we've got to have that sentence statement, the answer statement, right there. Alright, I hope that made a lot of sense. If it didn't, put your questions in the comments below and we'll get back to you as quick as we can. Hit subscribe so you can follow along with everything we're doing. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye now.